We often talk about the effect and the impact of expats moving to Jamaica, but have we stopped to consider the impact and the effect of returnee residents, repats, who are coming into Jamaica, and the influence that they can have on the Jamaican society at large? Let's jump into it now.
Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. Now, firstly, let us just have a quick look at an official definition of what a returnee resident is. Firstly, a returnee resident to Jamaica is any Jamaican national that is at least 18 years old and have been living in another country for a consecutive period of at least 3 years and have decided that they're going to return to Jamaica with the intention to live here permanently. And so with that in mind, we're just going to have a look at the returnee residents and the power that the returnee residents have. The power of returnees or repats is often underestimated and ignored, even in the repat communities. Many of them return and simply blend into the background. They decide to just settle down and relax into a rather tranquil lifestyle. And though there is nothing wrong with them enjoying the break and the rest that is well deserved, there is so much more that they could be accomplishing, so much more influence that they could have, and create a much bigger impact on the society at large. There are several groups on Facebook and on WhatsApp and other platforms that caters for repats and expats alike. And there are also additionally you have associations and committees where expats and repats meet together and have conversations and some level of networking. However, there could be a lot more done if all of this was under one umbrella as one group of people. Then they would be in a position to have so much more influence than they currently do. It is highly worthy of consideration to have one united body that is working assiduously to transform Jamaica in a way that they feel would benefit them, the Jamaican diaspora, and the Jamaicans in the locality, and therefore giving them a greater opportunity to have more profound impact on the Jamaican landscape. Let's explore 5 areas of power that expats have that they are not harnessing to their maximum potential. The first is community leveraging. Now, repats have the ability to impact the social and economical landscape of Jamaica and create a significant change. And there are a few reasons for that, but we're going to focus on 2 of those reasons. The first is they are pretty aware of what Jamaica was when they were in Jamaica and what it has now become when they have returned. Secondly, they have gone away and they've seen a difference in the environment that they have been living in before returning to Jamaica, and they can see the profound ways in which those societies have been transformed for the better, and how people, the community, have played a significant role in ensuring that that happens, and are therefore equipped with those skills that they can implement to effect social and economic change if they so desire that they're going to put their efforts into making the Jamaica that they want to be able to live in. I do not think that Jamaican repats have a full understanding of how many of them are actually here in the country. The available statistics shows that there are between 28 to 30% of repats living in Jamaica currently. And that's a significant chunk of the population. And therefore, that's more than quarter, almost a third of the Jamaican population. And whether those were voluntary repats or forced repats, there are still repats living here with skill set that they can leverage and that they can level up in order to play the role that they need to make the impact and create the influence that is necessary to help with the rebuilding and the profound development and elevation of Jamaica. And as such, it would be essential that the Repat community look at how they can create an impact in a way that is going to have a greater ripple effect across the country for the benefit of everyone living on the island and also the Jamaican diaspora. The second is collective responsibility and collaboration. Now, if we decided that Repats were going to build an umbrella unit and a united front, then they are able to impact change in a lot of ways, because they are then able to work as one body, going out and ensuring that they do the things that they want to achieve as a united front, working together with all of the skills and the resources they have, and assigning those in a way that is most appropriate to effect the change that they are seeking to achieve, and to make Jamaica the place that they want to live, work, and do business, and raise their children and grandchildren too. Working together in an effective cooperation, Repats are able to create the level of vibrancy that they want to see in the Jamaican community that they're living in and the Jamaica landscape at large. Thirdly is corporate economics. We hear the saying many times that money talks. Now, Repats can create an economy that is viable and thriving enough, which is one that we know is achievable and can be achieved through working together, pooling our funds, and then being able to use that to drive up the quality experience that we want to achieve for ourselves as well as for others around us. And fourthly is through skill offsetting, and this is where they level up their skill sets in a way that creates a certain atmosphere and environment that meets the needs of both them as Repats, also expats, and people that are within the local, and make Jamaica a little bit more desirable for Jamaicans in the diaspora to want to return to, because they recognize that the quality of development that is here and that is being vocalized by people through their experience and the encounters that they will have, and using these skill sets to improve what is already in existence in the country, because there are lots of skills that are here, but there is also the opportunity to upskill and leverage the skills that are coming from other parts of the world coming into Jamaica for the advantage of Jamaicans in the Jamaican marketplace. And the fifth one is social experiences. Now, Repats coming back into Jamaica have a wealth of different social experiences from different parts of the world, and taking the better quality of those and being able to weave those into the Jamaican experience creates an influence and an impact that will be able to enhance what we currently have as Jamaican experience for many who are coming back and being here. Now, there are several different areas in which things can be improved across the board using these 5 categories. So, for example, we could have an improvement in customer services that's delivered, in the banking sector and the banking industry, in terms of us Repats pulling together and being able to create what they think would be best to serve the people in that sphere, because of the fact that they have the experiences from before. And there are lots of other industries that the Repats can go into to make an impact and make a difference. That is not to say that they aren't making their own little mark in different parts of the country, different parishes, different towns, different cities. The point here is that they can have a way bigger impact and influence than they currently do if they were to group together, all pulling together in one group, one body, and then being able to use all of the resources that they have to themselves, when they harness that all together, to then be able to make the profound impact that they can actually make as a group rather than as individuals in different parts and regions of the country. As a Repat, what are some of the ways that you are currently influencing your sphere where you are? How are some of the ways that you think that you could have a greater impact? Would it be something that you would want to do to create an overarching group that's all pulling together with the same manifesto to be able to work towards that improvement that we want to see in Jamaica, in the same way that groups in other countries work towards enhancing the society in which they live? What are some of the areas in Jamaica that you think would benefit from improvement? how could you level up or leverage your skill set in order to be able to make those changes and improvements? What people do you think that you could align yourselves with to be able to make changes and make differences? If you are someone who is in the diaspora and looking forward to returning, what are some of the ways in which you think that you would be able to make an impact? How do you think you'd be able to bring back some of the things you've learned to Jamaica and make a change? And if you're a Jamaican in the locality, how do you think repats could enhance the way of life in Jamaica that you would feel that you can benefit from? What are some of the ways in which we all could work together to be able to ensure that the Jamaica we want is the Jamaica we create, using all of our skill sets together as one united people? Thank you so much. If you've had a chance to answer any of those questions, we'd like to hear some of what they are in the comments below. So please do let us hear some of the things that you were thinking of. I'm telling you, I wanted my twists back so badly. I missed it. So I brought it back. Yep, there we go. I haven't done it. I haven't had twists in for about 6 weeks and counting, or almost 2 months now. And the life without it, I just had to get it back because I missed it. My go-to, my lovely twist of my hair. So it's back. Yeah.
Oh, this is so good. Yes, my brother. Give me the puppy. Lost the street. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Nobody can find her now.
Where's the egg?
Use it as my beat.
Jack and Jill went up the hill.
Let's focus.
Did you get two cows?
It's
Not red. Red. No, do I not? Oh,
Pick up 4 color.
Pick up your 4.
why?
Because she played pick up 4.
1. Little ugly. Lost the sheep. 3. 4. Huh? This one.
How could you?
No!
Yellow!
Oh my!
Oh gosh.
Oh. So what colour
Now I
yellow?
know what you're
Yes.
going to do.
Hey! Wait a second, Eliona, reverse.
Jack and Jill went up the hills. I said yellow, not blue.
Yeah, and then I played. So
Oh.
You block me?
This
Okay.
time.
how many cards do you have? How many?
Mummy!
Cards.
You have the swap hand.
Are you sure?
I bet you do.
Who? Me.
Yeah.
You.
Are you sure there's no blue in that hand? Or no like wild cards?
I have too much no wild cards. I'll change it to green. Excuse me?
She said green, Khalil.
I know.
Okay, he's blocked me.
Sad.
I can block too? Oh no, I can't play it. Can I play it
Or
back?
you can block
No.
him back. You can block him back.
So if I have block, I can put block. So then what happens?
You just block me.
Okay, well block.
Thank you, that means I don't have to pay.
It's the better of the options. Oh gosh!
Jack and Jill went up the hill.
Khalil read 6. That's 9. Okay, you find it there.
No. You get two. Yeah, two.
I wonder if she have reverse.
Jack and Jill went up the hill. Hey, my two. What's a walk?
Hmm?
What's a walk? I never said that, I said no. It's just your turn.
Forward, Keisha.
Jack and Jill were not going on.
Oh, I remember seeing that YouTube shot this one playing Uno and he had a whole stack of Uno cards in his hand. And then all of them were Uno rises, so he played all of them and then... Who are you swapping hands with? Are you sure?
Yes.
So, Khalil,
Good.
I worked on my best effort
Good.
to have 4 left and you
Good.
want to swap.
Good. And so lucky that you did not switch with me.
Okay, Khalil. So this is what, which color did you want to change it to?
Green.
Okay, Khalil. So I'm going to reverse. Gonna reverse.
It's me.
So give me back my hand.
No, that
It's gonna reverse. I reverse
that
it.
means
No.
I have to get my cards.
No, Khalil. You
You
gave it to me, and I wanna reversed it.
Give me a Uno reverse.
So you now play.
Who?
You play.
Uno reverse.
Okay then.
Thank you.
Wanna reverse. There you go. Thank you.
Where's that pesky thing? Where's that pesky thing?
What?
There's no more,
The
Khalil.
pesky. 2 cards to you.
2 cards to you.
Who?
To Eliona. I don't have any Una reverse to give it back to you, so.
Jack and Jill went up the hill.
Just wait.
Yeah,
Just
wait.
Couldn't help.
I need
Can
help.
we change the order now
Yes.
of how we play?
Yeah.
Because I'd love to slam some +2s on you.
Yes.
Well, I have no choice but to play the +2s. Keisha, how many cards do you have?
Cards.
Too many to count?
Yeah. What do I do?
If you have
I just wanted to know.
Butter? Yes. Butter?
No. Eliona's turn.
Jack
Oh, you haven't played. You picked up 2, but you didn't play.
and Jill went up the hill. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
Stop blocking.
Block her back. Well, not block her back. You can play back now. I'm blocking Keisha. How are you playing? You have to play yellow.
2 cards too.
You have to 8. Block Keisha. How are you playing?
Oh, so you're teaming up with Khalil against me and... Okay.
Jack and Jill
Okay,
went
then
up the hill.
Eliona, since that's how it's going. And I'm changing the color to green.
Thank you. Thank you. What is that lip face?
Yellow.
Yellow? Thank you.
I've been craving fish and bami, but I just didn't want to make it myself, because sometimes when you make it yourself, by the time you inhale all of it and to sit and eat it, it doesn't have the same effect, you know, to your palate as you want it to. And I don't know if my sister overheard me saying it. She went out to do her thing, and this is what she brought me back. Fish, fried fish, and bami. So of course, you know, and it looks nicely spiced. I took the Scotch bonnet pepper off of it, and it already is saying, "Eat me, please." So I just thought I'd share with you, and I'm going to go enjoy it now.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam fam, come hang with me.
It was a pleasure having you here with us and spending this time with you today. So we just want to say bye for now and thank you for staying with us, and we will see you in the next one.